Very honored to be here to introduce you our hero product, DuoBoard. As you can see from the screen, it's a universal picture. For us, BenQ, we believe 1 + 1 should be more than 2, and that is a must. The minimum units to require to communicate is duo, because you don't talk to yourself, you talk to people. So when these two units combine together, what will it become? We say that collaboration and technology. For collaboration, a lot of products can do, but with our BenQ unique technology, we'll give you experience of other things. Collaboration and technology, we separate for Duo User, Duo Windows, DuoBoard, and Duo OS. From here in the main page, we have 3 icons, optimized graphic, and also we have very useful tutorial. When we touch here, they will come out the tutorial immediately and also guide you to how to use our device. As you can see from here, you have another shortcut for apps area, and also you have the OTA update. And for this is the major one, we just have Duo Windows and Duo OS. One of the unique functions of this DuoBoard is it can portray. When you portray it, you can fit all the requirements that you wish. Innovation meeting, decision-making meeting, problem-solving meeting, all these kind of meeting, you won't go far from these 3C, casting, conference, collaboration. As you can see from this DuoBoard, we provide all these solutions in one device. Let's talk about casting. So here, wireless presentation solution. For InstaShare software, and also we have InstaShow WDC 24 hardware. Kevin, could you please come and help me? In InstaShare, we can have 4 split screen, 2-way mirroring, 2-way touch control, cross-platform. As you can see from here, for cross-platform, you can use iOS, you can use Android, you can use Mac OS, and Chrome, and also Windows devices. Easily to use from this screen. Okay, very good. So the main reason for casting is to create more collaborations and creation together. So as you can see right now, our device is calling from another PowerPoint to share more information and detailed information for us. Next section, we will talk about AMS, Cloud Access. AMS, as known, is account management system that allows us to put our file on the cloud and then travel to other places without carrying other devices. So Kelvin, please, could you please show us how to do it? In case the AMS connect to the cloud drive, user can open the cloud's documents for discussion without other device. Support Google Documents, Slide Sheet, and then real-time synonym to Google servers. Support MS Office, Word, Excel, PPT, real-time. As you can see from here, Kelvin is opening a marketing plan that he will discuss with us. Good, so we're talking about restaurant marketing plan, good. And then the budget, as you can see, that's like that easy. Very easy and very simple to use. Floating tool, cross-platform annotation software that allows you to annotate in any place and any kind of input source. So let's show them, Kelvin, what can we do with the annotation? So let's go to a browser. We search for a marketing plan. Okay, this is a charter. And then people, when they see this is important, then we do the capture. We call out the floating tool, take the picture, and then we paste to easy write. And then we can do the annotation together and cooperate. So example, feature and quality, this, very good. Channel management and plan. So let me try mine. I'll take care of this channel. 23 channels. Okay, just like that, simple and easy, you can create more activity with your partner. For conference, what can we do for conference? We provide you Blitz with our DuoBoard Full HD camera with a red mic. Let's try how powerful can do Blitz. Let's press the star, and then we wait for Kelvin to join our meeting. Hi, Calvin.
Hi.
All right, so after showing you Blitz, maybe you think it's not enough, but no worries. We have a very strong device called OPS with dual system. We can use Skype for Business, Cisco WebEx, Zoom, Google Hangouts, GoToMeet. So, Kelvin, please show them how strong we can do. As you can see, Kelvin is calling the Windows system. Calling Google Meet, and then start to join a meeting. In the same DuoBoard, using dual system to present a different multiple function of meeting solution. Ta-da! The last part, collaboration. Let's see what can we do for collaboration. Only collaboration is not enough for us. With BenQ, we suggest collaboration plus. The plus is to do beyond the creation. As you can see from here, this function is Duo Windows, DuoBoard, and DuoOS. So let's see what we can do. So, for DuoOS is for multiple collaboration between IFP and OPS, and DuoBoard is two boards connecting together. Duo Windows is to use a multiple collaborations information for two windows. And the last one is Duo User. Let's talk about DuoBoard. DuoBoard extends user collaboration space on Easy Write, and then to invite more attendants to join us and create more idea. Also, two DuoBoards together, we can pass the file on the section of Transfer Me. And also, our latest technology is allow you to use our remote control to show at the same time the spotlight from here to another place, and then we can change the size. Like that, easy and simple. The spotlight is very important when you are doing the presentation. Just like this, collaboration, whiteboard, wireless projection. Another amazing function of DuoBoard is board to board. What is that? Is that easy? Let's do it. So, Kelvin will transfer something or some item, some picture to my board. So what he needs to do is only click and select the items, and then like that, easy and simple, will transfer to my folder. As you can see from here, he just transferred to me. So let me open it for you. You see? Very easy and simple. Collaboration plus. The plus is to create beyond the creation. Allow me to show you three icons why DuoBoard is that important for you. Kelvin, let's do it. The first picture, as you can see, a project plan. In the traditional way, we write our project plan on the whiteboard, but the space will be never enough. Imagine, when you do the things and write the project plan, when the space is not enough, what you're gonna do? you change to the next page. Or you use your phone to take a picture, and then you memorize by yourself. But with our DuoBoard, you can use like this and then continuing the information without non-stop. As you can see right now, Kelvin is writing the information so people can understand more on the cooperations. The next one will be another picture that we would like to show you is a house floor. Imagine I am the owner of the house and I would like a designer to design my house for me. So I propose this one. I propose my plan to him. And then Kelvin, as a designer, he popped up with a new and great idea. So let's have a discussion right away. Maybe I can tell Kelvin, said, hey, I like the table, right? And then we can change the color and then tell Kelvin, hey Kelvin, I don't like this guy here. Please remove him or remove the couch for me. Just like that, easy and simple. Please, next one. So, next picture that we will show you is a Batmobile, which is a Batman fan. And then as you can see from here, why is this that important to use DuoBoard? It's because that we are not only taking for notes or annotation, but also we want to see the details. So I think I can ask Kelvin, please help me to check the tire of that, the tire of the size. Or I can ask Kelvin, say, hey, how about the machine gun? What do you think about the machine gun from this car? So we have the machine gun. Just like that, easy and simple. We create everything for you just like that and simple. Next one, we would like to invite more people to create with us. It's a mind map. So as you can see from here, mind map is already for you to create more idea. So using our DuoBoard, you can invite more people to create more great idea together. So let's say, oh, I see problem. When you see problem, what will you think? I will think SOP, because follow the SOP, you won't get wrong. Okay, I see dining. Well, I wanna drink Coke. So we write it down, Coke. Right, it's just like that, simple and easy. So what are you writing, Kelvin? Can I join you and write with you? Yes, okay. So maybe here we can have beer. Just like that, easy and simple. Remember how easy is our product? When you use it, it's like that. DuoOS allow you to do communication between IFP and IFP. Also input source that user can cross the different OS and capture different information easily. Kelvin, please, let's show them how easy we can do. OPS, HDMI, VGA, adjust screen size, capture picture, and import to EasyWrite. Capture picture, and then save to file. As right now, imagine that we are in the meeting room. I said, our agenda 1, 2, 3. And then we call to another partner that is in the OPS size. And then we say, hey Kelvin, what do you think about the agenda 1, 2, 3? Like that, easy and simple. So you decide the number one. I also decide for number 1. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time, Kelvin. Bye. Dual windows, 2 apps running side by side, and then share the screen. User can collaborate together, and then 2 apps at the same time. Kelvin, could you please show me how to do it? Let's say from the left side we put EasyWrite, and then from the right side we put browser. Okay, so I will write something to show you how we're gonna cooperate. I'll write car. I like car. And I like BMW. I like i8. I like the color red. It's like this, easy and simple. As you can see, we just collaborate between Calvin and I. Easy. Dual user with 20-point touch, dual pen, dual color, team post, and sticky notes. So let's do it. Okay, let me create something for you guys. And then we're gonna change to other colors. As you can see from here, this is a 20-point touch. So it's a butterfly. Okay, so you have a dual pen and dual color. So Kelvin, can you help me with the team post discussion? Also, another function of this is team post. So as you can see here, on this software, we can create a team post discussions immediately like Kelvin is doing. He's setting questions. So here is your name. Okay, good. So my name is, I'm gonna write down, Pablo. Oh, your name is Kelvin. Very good. And John. Perfect. So that is the main function of team post. But another technology is when we write, it won't cross to other team posts. The last one that we will present is sticky note. Using sticky note on this board, you can do the more collaboration and discussions with your team members. Just like this, easy and simple. So we have the education and corporate. And the last segment will be retail. Okay, so let's talk about these three topics. Like this, when you're in the meeting room, you can continue discussion without any interference. If you think that will be all, no, you're wrong. There's another amazing function. Let me show you. If you are worried about, like me, about your handwriting, don't worry. Here, we have the handwriting recognition. Well, even Kelvin is doing very good on his handwriting. But BenQ, another handwriting recognition. Also, we will show you the other feature is when we want to share, which is called Cloud Whiteboard. Please, Kelvin. Using your smartphone, and then you can scan on the QR code, and then we can do the activity together. So, with our DuoBoard, we provide all-in-one solution with cooperation plus, before meeting, in the meeting, after meeting. Collaboration plus, all-in-one meeting solution, user-friendly. How friendly is the icon? Remember the icon, remember all the settings, that is very easy to use. And also, let's recap the main point of this DuoBoard. 3C and 4D. Who can answer the 3C? Casting, conference, collaboration. 4D, which is dual user, dual Windows, dual OS, and DuoBoard. Easy peasy. From here, you can see the picture of this device. It's exactly what you're seeing right now. From here, we have the capacity touch technology that we call PCAP, and also direct bonding. From here, we have Full HD camera and 6 array mic to reduce unnecessary voices. 2 active pens in the slide and pen holder with power charger, but that's not enough. From here, as you can see, we have MSC type and sensor box, air quality sensor, and very wonderful subwoofer speaker under here with 16 watts x 2 plus 15 watts Hi-Fi 2.1. If you think that's not enough, for this we have another function which is OPS slot, so you can have more I/O into it. For our display, we are using direct bonding, PCAP. What is a direct bonding? The direct bonding is to refill the reflection and also have a better touch experience. As you can see from this slide, this is talking about the direct bonding. Normally, when the other competitor, when they are using their displays, it should be like this. When they are using air gap, but without air gap, that was just BenQ using, we have a better looking and also reduce the reflection and have a better touching experience. Touch pan. From the touch pan, we can see we have the button light and the power light. When it's flashing, it's pairing, and then the lights up and lights down. Also with the page up and page down. Digital pointer when you hold down for more than 3 seconds. One click for folding tool annotation immediately. Let's go to next section, which is healthy care. For us, BenQ, we don't only provide a good hardware and software, but we also care about user scenario and user behaviors. So from this screen, as you can see, it's certified by TUV, and also this screen is germ resistant. We have the CO2 air quality sensor, which is a CO2 sensor. We have low blue light, flicker free, and anti-glare, which is we provide no matter it's hardware, software, and also healthy cares. After healthy care, let's talk about corporate solution that we provide by BenQ. We introduce you McAfee. McAfee, that is device security, data cleaner. Also, we have our in-house software called DMS, Displays Management System. Now you can control all the display settings remotely, update firmware and apps remotely, no apps installation required, and also the last one is easy to access in anywhere. We support Chrome and Firefox for the browser. Also, DMS can provide you a data dashboard, the dashboard that you can see the user behavior and then collect the information, the big data of the information, so you can know that the end user or the customers that are using what feature on it, and then we'll show up with the percentage. So the manager or the IT guy will understand the user behavior easily. All these apps and all these things, items that you see from our DuoBoard can be recorded. In case that you need a quick support, we do support Teamviewer Quicksupport, which can control your DuoBoard remotely and then help you to solve the problem immediately. In the last page, we will introduce you the accessory. The accessory for DuoBoard, active pens, also the remote control, Wi-Fi dongle, a trolley, OPS, and also NFC card. So, believe me, our DuoBoard is the best solution for cooperation.